This is what happens when you put catnip on these. Do you like that catnip? Yes. Aww. Wednesday, do you like the catnip? Coco, stop. Oh no! Don't sneeze. What the? We heard a bump in the night. All the kitties look that way. Kitty, it's okay. The doors are locked. Oh, Coco, you're getting it all over you. Kitty, Coco, what the? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to clean this up. Oh, Coco. You cute little bundle of fur. Sorry. Yes. Oh. Oh my god. You kitties are crazy. It's just catnip, Cokie. Oh my god. What Wednesday? Oh my god. You guys. Oh. Whoa, Kitty. It's like a Red Bull or something, huh? Don't eat it. Oh, goodness. Hey, Kitty. Come join the little black kitties. Okay? Hey. Okay. Come here. Aww. You love my catnip. It's cheap and it's effective.